Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with cluttered desks and complicated setups just to manage 2 laptops at once? Well, I've got some great news for you. The AV-Access KVM Switch Dock 2 monitors 2 laptops is here to change the game. This amazing product allows you to seamlessly switch between 2 laptops using a single keyboard and mouse. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to set up, no software or drivers required, just plug and play. You get a 12-in-1 USB C KVM switch docking station which is really sturdy and well built with a premium feel to it, and it supports 4K resolution at 30 Hz which is amazing for watching videos or working on graphics. The image quality is crystal clear, with vibrant colors and no lag or distortion. It's like having a dedicated monitor for each laptop. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among professionals and home users alike. One of the things that sets it apart is the king-size display support, which is perfect for content creators, developers, and financial professionals who need to multitask and have multiple windows open at the same time. The AV-Access KVM Switch Dock also comes with a worry-free 12-month warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing that you're protected in case anything goes wrong. In real-life use cases, this product is a total lifesaver. Imagine being able to work on a project on one laptop and then instantly switch to the other laptop to check your emails or take a call without having to physically switch keyboards or mice. It's so much more efficient and convenient, and it really helps to reduce clutter and minimize distractions. Overall, I highly recommend the AV-Access KVM Switch Dock 2 monitors 2 laptops to anyone who needs to manage multiple laptops from a single desk setup. It's a total game changer, and if this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.